So we are in the West Bend flip house, and the place turned out extremely, extremely well. Like you can see here, remodeled the kitchen. Actually just had to paint the cabinets. So we painted the cabinets, did the backsplash, counters, replaced the handles. But this house is really, really nice. Like I love the choice of colors, flooring. We worked with a partner on this particular purchase, but it turned out really well. Like quality of work is there, colors, phenomenal. I really like how everything had turned out, and it should be exciting once it's done. We had to replace all the windows, all the flooring, all the paint, all the light fixtures, like the miscellaneous stuff like that. So we're probably into this for 33-ish thousand, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Hopefully we'll get a decent price when we bring this to the market. If you know of anyone in the West Bend area, drop a comment down below. This should be hitting the market probably early next week. So now once we leave here, Katie and I are heading to an apartment complex and an owner that responded from some campaign that we were doing. So 8 units there. We'll see if we can try to work out a negotiation with the owner. Maybe I'll drop the recorded conversation into this video. Maybe not, just stay tuned. Katie's on her room. Whatever she wants to do there, it's up to her. But yeah, super excited. This is an awesome house, awesome project. I'm excited about checking out these apartment units, and we will see how that conversation goes. One of those that you can tell that like I had mentioned before, the attention to detail, obviously you didn't miss anything on that side, and you know this, but like some owners just after however many years they quit caring.
Absolutely.
And that's where I look at your property compared to some of these neighboring ones, and you can probably tell which owners are a little bit more hands-on than the rest, and that's typical, obviously, just given the neighborhood and rentals and everything like that. But no, they're really well maintained. All the concrete looks like it's in really nice shape, and
yeah, and I had it shaved down, so it didn't need to be mud jacked. I don't know if you noticed that.
Mm-hmm.
The sidewalks are shaved instead of replaced or mud jacked.
Yeah.
If you want to get an idea, and they're getting top dollar across the street, and there's no vacancies, go in those units across the hall, across the street, the red brick ones. Nobody's going to say anything, and just see what you get for your money over there. And those are, I think, $1,100, $1,200 a month.
Okay.
And the laundry rooms are in the basement. In mine, they're off the kitchen, which people love.
Yeah.
They just go gaga over the rolling laundry machines. Because you don't know. You're a laundromat. You don't know who did it beforehand. You don't know if it's diapers or what, you know?
Obviously, and it doesn't look like any of these around here have garage parking. Like it's all just like surface lots. And had to get our Starbucks. Now we're checking out the new place, cheers, in Winneconne. Not a bad find. Joe got this one. And another, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, another Google Ads lead. So if you guys, of course, need help with your Google Ads, feel free to reach out Carter at carterppc.com. I can manage it for you. I can show you how to manage it yourself. But this deal, initial numbers, bought it for $128. We will stick, there's the kitchen, we will stick probably, I don't know, 35, 40 into it. Sell it for $230, probably $245. Appraisal came in at $230 for once it's completed, but place isn't bad. Got bathroom, the one downfall with this bathroom, you can kind of see it behind me. If a family buys this, they need a tub. So we're gonna probably have to do that, but previous owner started, he ripped out some walls. I'll show you a better view of this. This is kind of just, we'll see what Katie's doing. Why don't you walk us through what's going on here, or what we're gonna be doing?
I need a back door.
Ooh, that's kind of nice. Super nice. Deck is falling apart. What else is going on?
Well, I open this up. We're gonna put a wall right here and make this the master.
Okay.
And then part of this is gonna get closed off for a closet.
Watch out for the live wire by your head. These are all live wires. So that'll still be the entrance. So this will be 20 by 12 master bedroom space. This will be the dining. This actually, it reminds us, like Katie and I were talking when we pulled up, these remind me of like prefab houses in this neighborhood. And if you guys aren't familiar with a prefab house is, it's basically, they're just brought, they're built in a factory of sorts, and then they're brought here and set on the foundation. Now, I don't know if that's the actual case with this one, but it's just like in some of the areas, like this trim, this wood trim, it's just very cheap. It's not built to last. Like we have a lot of holes in the screens. There's some ramps, there's some decking, there's miscellaneous stuff like that that of course needs to be taken care of. But it does kind of smell like pee in here. I don't know if you smelt anything, Katie. We're gonna have to rip up this stuff. I don't know if they had a dog or animal, but I'm assuming like something was peeing in here. I can smell it already when I walk in, probably a cat. One unique part about the purchase on this particular property, so we bought it from a gentleman, it was actually a power of attorney for his father. But with that, they had a USDA loan. They didn't owe a ton on the loan, like $30,000, and I already told you we bought it for $128,000. But USDA, if you guys ever run across this, weirdest thing I've ever heard, USDA required an appraisal in order for him to get a loan payoff. They wouldn't allow it without an appraisal on file. So we had to pay for an appraisal. We got a commercial loan on this place, so we already had one, so I could reach out to that same appraiser, but it was just a freaking headache of a situation. We had to delay closing like 2 or 3 weeks in order to even get this accommodated for that inconvenience. Videotaping you. And you're walking us through.
Another bedroom.
Grand tour. So we have all these dishes, Christmas cups. It's a shame all this stuff is gonna be thrown away. We do need to order a dumpster though, because this is a mess in here. So we'll get the electrician in. We will order a dumpster sooner rather than later. Get people here cleaning this out, junking out the, like pretty much everything. So we'll see how it turns out, but that is it. It's Saturday today, so we need to go home, enjoy doing nothing, enjoy the motocross or supercross races tonight. What else are we doing today?
Nothing.
Nothing. You heard it here. We're not doing anything. So, day in the life. Cheers, you guys. Cheers. Starbucks, black coffee. So as you can tell from behind me, we are back in the house in Clintonville. This project is wrapping up. I am assuming that we're probably gonna be done by the end of the week. Like, what do you guys think? New floors going in, walls are painted already, trim will be done. We got the bay shoe there. This is quick rehab. They knocked this out extremely, extremely fast. I don't know if there's a light in here. There we go. Bathroom. Kind of happy with how this is turning out. But what I need to do is I'm delivering material today. It's one of those things in the weekend we just try and catch up on all of the stuff that we couldn't get done during the week. This is the one thing that most people don't see, they don't notice, but there's always things to do after the fact. We have one of our contractors was working on a job this morning, he called me already. Weekends are to catch up, and that's where I am going to leave this video at. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this week. I know we were kind of just touring through places, checking things out. Not a ton of different information or knowledge. We're still testing the YouTube ads. We haven't gotten any results, so I can't speak on that as of right now. I appreciate you guys watching as always. If you want to see more content like this, hit the like and subscribe button down below. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.